It looks like it's raining afuera. Hi everyone, the word of the day is afuera. Afuera. This means out or outside. Afuera works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is afueras. Afueras. Although afueras means something different. It means outskirts. Okay, let's see a few examples. If you say afuera to someone, it could mean get out. For example, no debes estar aquí. Afuera. No debes estar aquí. Afuera. Let's see more examples. Saca al perro afuera. Saca al perro afuera. Quiero ir a comer afuera. Quiero ir a comer afuera. Ponte un suéter si vas afuera. Ponte un suéter si vas afuera. Yo vivo en las afueras de la ciudad. Yo vivo en las afueras de la ciudad. Estoy afuera de tu casa. Estoy afuera de tu casa. No te quedes afuera. Entra. No te quedes afuera. Entra. Okay, I hope you liked this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can go to my website, smlessons.com, and download this card about the word that we just learned today. It will be available only for 7 days. Let me know if you have any questions about this word. You can leave that down below. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!